Well, actually, in today's video, we're going to do the weekend forecast today, having a detailed look at the weather for the next 7 days across the British Isles. Looks like we're going to see some quite changeable conditions really through the week. We're going to start off today and tomorrow and Monday on quite a showery note. Then it's going to turn drier and potentially very warm in the south for a day or two around the middle of the week. And then it's going to turn more unsettled again from the Atlantic by the end of the week. So quite a changeable sort of week coming up. Before I get on with the video, though, just make sure you advertising the video ads on my page. It's at GazRobbins.com. Hit play on the video ad. You'll be supporting GazRobbins.com. Thanks very much for doing that. The charts that we're using for the video, we've got the radar pitch here from theweatherout.com. We'll have some charts from them at the end of the video as well. And then in between, you're going to have charts from wetend.de. You can find the link to both of those websites on my links page. So here's the current radar picture. Some quite heavy rain and showers across southern central parts of England and Wales. They'll keep going, I think, through the rest of the day, perhaps becoming even heavier and more intense, in fact, through this afternoon in the south. Could be some thunder and lightning, hail mixed in as well. Threatening Glastonbury and Wimbledon as well. Wimbledon got away with it yesterday, but I don't think they'll be quite so lucky today. Not that many showers up across the north, but we have got some across northern England and some across eastern Scotland. A lot of these are light, but enough to sort of be noticeable. Anyway, but much of the action in terms of the thundery showers in the south. Let's have a look at the lightning detector device to see whether there is any lightning in with these showers. And yeah, I've got some flashes of lightning here across the south and the southwest in particular, so I think they'll get more violent these showers in terms of the lightning, thunder and hail as we go through into this afternoon. Here's today's Arctic pressure chart, and low pressure is still dominating. Got this trough of low pressure here across the country, ridge of high pressure out to the north and the west of Scotland, so that's why it's drier up there. So yeah, it will be dry for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England today, although not completely dry. There will be showers in places, particularly to the east of Scotland, but much of the action will be across England and Wales. There'll be heavy showers, maybe some longer spells of rain in places, and a mix of hail, thunder and maybe even some lightning flashes thrown in as well. Temperatures are going to be on the cool side today, also just getting up to 19 or 20 degrees, really in the best of sunshine. 20 is just 68 Fahrenheit. It's a bit below where we should be at this time of year. That low pressure is moving off towards the east as we go through tonight, but we're still in a slack sort of northerly flow. It means much of the showers will be dying out this evening and overnight, but they'll probably keep going close to the east coast. It's going to become clear and quite chilly tonight, actually, for late June night. It'll be quite a cold night with temperatures widening to single figures. Some places getting down to 6 or 7 degrees. That, of course, in rural locations. Town cities will hold up better than that. But where we are, it's going to be a chill in the air, I think, tonight. Moving through into Sunday, we're in a slack northerly flow. The main area of low pressure has gone off to the east, but it'll still be showery. The best of the dry and bright weather will again be for Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales, perhaps southwest England as well. So maybe not too bad for Glastonbury for the final day, but central and eastern areas will be at risk of showers tomorrow. Some of them will again be heavy with a risk of the rumble of thunder. Probably not as intense or as violent as today, and probably not as widespread, so more places tending to stay dry. There'll be quite a few showers around, particularly in the east. Temperatures maybe up to 21, that's 70 Fahrenheit. Going through into Monday, we're in a car, and what happens in a car is that we're basically neither under high pressure or low pressure, although we have got this low pressure down to the southwest of the country. It'll be threatening Ireland and southwest England with some cloud and outbreaks of persistent and maybe quite heavy rain by the end of the afternoon on Monday. But elsewhere, it's really a case of sunshine and showers in this car. Will start off on a mainly dry note with sunny spells. Clouds will bubble up with heat of the day, and then showers will break out in the afternoon. Again, there could be some heavy and thundery showers in places. They'll be quite well scattered, so a lot of areas staying dry. But if you get a shower, you'll know about it. It'll be heavy, it'll be slow moving as well, because the winds are going to be light. Temperatures perhaps lifting up to around 22. 22 is at 72. Going through to Tuesday, that low pressure, which is threatening the southwest on Monday, is actually slipping away to the south. So we get away with it, actually, that area of low pressure. And high pressure is starting to build in across the country. Could still be some rain in the southwest of England and the Channel Islands on Tuesday morning in particular, but that'll all clear away. I think it's going to be essentially a dry day, actually, on Tuesday with sunny spells. Though there could be some more showers ready for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but I think they'll be quite well scattered. Temperatures up to 22 again, 72 Fahrenheit. Will be cold nights though on Sunday night and again on Monday night. Cold nights, or chilly nights anyway for time of year. Maybe even low enough for a touch of ground frost on Monday morning first thing, but don't think it'll be quite that low on Tuesday morning. But yeah, some pretty chilly nights coming up anyway over the next 2 or 3. But as we go through to the middle of the week, the high pressure is building in nicely here across the country, although low pressure is still threatening to the north of Scotland. Temperatures will be lifting up a little bit through the middle of the week, this high pressure bridging in from the Azores. So we'll lose the risk of cold nights, I think, by the middle of the week. The temperatures by night will be much milder and warmer by day as well, with England and Wales having a dry and pretty sunny day on Wednesday. Temperatures could get up to 24, maybe 25 being 77 Fahrenheit, so back into the very warm category. But it'll be cloudier for Scotland and Northern Ireland, this area of low pressure, with some outbreaks of showery rain coming in, particularly through the course of Wednesday afternoon. Cooler up there as well. Going into Thursday, the low pressure is sort of gathering up to the northwest, but the high pressure is still just about hanging on for England and Wales. So I think another mainly dry day for England and Wales on Thursday with sunny spells. It'll be cloudier up to the north with showery outbreaks of rain for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. So a bit of a north-south split really. Temperatures somewhere between around say 17 or 18 in the north to 25, maybe 26 in the south. Don't see it's very warm at 79 Fahrenheit. So really seeing the temperatures lifting up through the middle of the week. But then it all goes downhill by the end of the week. This area of low pressure finally breaking through, the high pressure declining away. So we're going to find cloud and outbreaks of rain spreading across the country through the course of Friday. Some of that rain could be quite heavy, particularly in the north and west, but I think we'll all turn pretty wet by the end of Friday. Temperatures will be lowering as well, so the maximum is just 22 on Friday in the south, 72, and feeling cooler and fresher for all of us. And as we go into next weekend, we're on a very unsettled note really, with this low pressure dominating. Could be some really heavy rain across England and Wales on Saturday. I have to firm up on that, but it is potentially a very wet day in the south on Saturday. But otherwise it's a showery sort of weekend next weekend. Of course it's Wimbledon finals, it doesn't affect them too much because it's got the roof. Also Grand Prix at Silverstone, it could well be very impactful for them if the rain comes off next weekend. Temperatures will be a lot lower as well, just down into the upper teens really for most parts of the country. So after a warm midweek, it turns a lot cooler at the end of the week. Going through to the charts for the weather outlook, here's the situation today. Lots of showers across the country. Some of those showers will be heavy with hail and thunder. As we move through to Sunday, still showers really across many parts of the country, although fewer showers than today, and they should be more scattered and less intense, I think, than is the case on Saturday. Still showery on Monday. Temperatures throughout will be rather cool, and then things starting to improve from Tuesday onwards. So as we get through into Wednesday, a lot of dry weather across England and Wales in particular, but there will be showery rain up to the north and the northwest for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and then temperatures lifting up really as we go through into Thursday, becoming very warm, potentially in the south with a lot of sunny spells, but still cloudy, showery rain up in the northwest. And then as we move through to Friday, things will turn more unsettled, eventually with cloud and rain spreading in off the Atlantic. Certainly by the time we get through to Friday evening, many parts of the country will be turning pretty cloudy and damp. So, as in summary, we're going to be seeing a very changeable week really this week. We start off on an unsettled note with showers, longer spells of rain, so we're quite heavy today with risk of thunder. Midweek will be drier and warmer, and then as we go through towards the end of the week, turning unsettled again off the Atlantic. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.